So, late night Tubi binge got you feeling inspired, huh? Got a movie idea? Nah, that's dope. That's where it starts. And if you know me, you know I'm probably the most affordable option for industry standard cinematography in Michigan. Listen, I got feature films starting as low as $10,000. See, that's what I'm saying, though. That's a lot of money, though, cool. Nah, it ain't. Think about this. You pay for production once, and your ROI is split amongst your cast and crew at your discretion. With your dope-ass idea and this pristine cinematic production, I'm pretty sure you're gonna make way more than the $10K you invested. And listen, I don't even want a percentage of your distribution. I'm good. I just want to see you win. So yeah, in this case, it costs about $10K or more. Listen, you're most likely not going to be in the movie by yourself, so you got a co-star? Cool. That's $2,500 a piece to get started. Oh, wait, you got 4 stars in the movie. That's $1,250 a piece to get started. 8 stars in the movie? $625 a piece to get started. You picking up what I'm putting down? Extras? Yeah, well, you got to tell them everybody got to start somewhere, so they might not get paid, but that's up to you if you want to pay extras. Listen, I'm saying bare minimum, you can get started as an executive producer and a starring role in your own dope-ass movie for $5K on the front end. Yeah, it's $5K up front and $5K on the back end at the wrap of production to start post-production. But it's not like you gotta wait until you got $5K saved up to get started. That's just another way for you to procrastinate. There's a lot to making movies anyway. Pre-production is crazy. With casting, scouting locations, script writing, man, it's a lot. So paying that deposit now can get the ball rolling on pre-production. So go ahead, hit your people up, tell them what I just told you. Hell, no, wait, send them this video, cause it's time. It's time for it to be your turn, cause I know that you know that we can do better than most of the stuff we see on there. You know I've been doing this for years, behind the scenes, from script to set, from lighting to sound. I'm a one-man army. I got you. Let's make it easy by viewing it as a checkbox style process. Many goals that lead to a larger goal. Let me walk you through the process and craft your idea into a masterpiece. Cause it ain't about to come on with the Trinc Studios logo and not be cinematically correct. We're gonna make sure you got a strong 3-act structure, entertaining story that commands the audience's attention. I'm gonna walk you through the distribution process based on your budget, cause that's not part of production. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Cause you're not paying me, you're paying the distribution service. And I recommend Film Hub, and Film Hub is looking, something like this. And I'll elaborate later, but this is how you make money with money. So stop making excuses and let's make millions, because if that idea is half as fire as you say it is, then this should be the easiest million that you've ever made. Text this number or email me to get started, and I'm Big Breeze, the CEO of Trinc Studios, the one-stop shop for all things media.
Trinc Studios.